Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. And I am so glad to have each and every one of you here today, and I'm so excited to be able to do today's video because it is all about the year-long towel topper / slipper crochet along that I have going. And I just wanted to give you an update. At the end of the month, I will post a video of everyone that has that is participating in this and have sent me emails and have sent posted in my Facebook group page. I will do a slideshow at the end of the month to show off your hard work and to maybe by the towel toppers that you have created, that you can inspire other people that are looking at, colors and different things of, like how they would like to maybe do some towel toppers. Okay, so to get started, I guess I will show you my March. Well, for March, I came up with this. This wasn't my original design. I found this pattern here from Bag O' Day, and I will leave the link below if you want to make one. This yarn is Big Twist. I had bought this around Christmas time at my local Joann's, and I had made a Christmas pillow from, and I think Llama Mama Unraveled Elise, I think it was one of her patterns, and I had made a cute little Christmas tree. And anyway, so this is where this yarn comes. It's kind of glittery. Anyway, so this is cool. So I'm making 4 of these every month. And so this is for the 4 ladies. 4 special ladies in my life that will be getting this as part of their Christmas present. And so that's those 4. Now my mother, I went ahead, and I'm doing a slipper a month. So here is my mom's. My husband suggested I add yellow in it because I know my mom, I told him, I said, I know my mom would not be happy with white on the bottom because, dirt and things like that. And it would just bug her. Not that she's going to get it on the bottom, but it's just not as noticeable by having another color besides white. And so my husband suggested the yellow. And so I was like, oh yeah, I like that. So I took that same pattern from Bag O' Day, and I used a smaller hook. I believe I might have used I can't remember now. I used whatever hook she said, and then I went down to like a 3.0 hook for this one. And so that's my slippers for the month of March. Got that done. All I have to do, is make 1 pair of slippers, and I will leave the pattern, if you're new and you haven't seen this, I'll leave the pattern to these slippers. I only went up, of course, I ran out of yarn. I didn't have enough. I could have done a little bit of extra, but I only went up like 5 rows instead of 7 like the pattern says, but that's what 5 rows would give you. See? Anyway, so I know my mom would be super excited to get these. Okay, so just give a recap. February, I made, that's the 7 rows. In fact, there you go. See, it's just a little bit taller. So this is this is her February. And for my February towels, I have that one. Let's see. 2, and then here's 3rd, and then here's my 4th. So that is for the 4 ladies. And then, like I said, my mom gets a pair of slippers. And then for January, my mom's slippers, I put a snowflake on them. And so there's her slippers. And for January, I just bought a blue towel and put a snowflake on it, and a snowflake. And then, I'm not sure. I guess I have this for January. I didn't think I did, but I do. I have it in my January pile. So maybe that I must have done 2 in this one. So there's my January. So there we go. So anyway, so if you want to join along, it's just hashtag towel topper CAL. and you can add 2021 on it if you want. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I'll leave the link to my Facebook group page, and if you decide to make these, go ahead. All you got to do is, I bought this as a 2-pack, this white towel at Walmart. It came, I think, 2 in a pack. I have a tutorial on how to do the top here. And you can actually make your towel. You don't have to buy one. You can make the whole thing and still, you know, participate in the crochet along. And what it is you're making at least one a month. And then at the end of the year, you'll have 12. And preferably make them holiday themed as much as you can. And that way, when Christmas comes, you will have 12 of these towels to hand out to a special person in your life. It could be a family member, it could be a co-worker, you know, to tell them thank you. And then you're not scrambling all year long trying to crochet something for people. Like I said, I've chosen to make 4, so I will have 4 gifts. And they work up pretty quick. This is really fast. I just take one of these, and I show it in the tutorial. I just take a towel, take a pair of scissors, I cut it across. And actually, for this right here, I believe I'm using a 1.5 hook to do my my base row. Let me see. I'm trying to think. It's a 1.5. But I was trying to think where I got it. I think it may be a hook from, maybe from Hobby Lobby. I think that may be where it is. But it's a 1.5, and I use that for my base. And so, in case you're interested. And you can also do, I have a tutorial on how to make a ring. You take like a ring and you crochet around it, and then you basically make this top on it. And you can use that. It doesn't have to be this exact style. So if you want to participate, it's so much fun. There are so many people that are doing this and posting their pictures in Facebook group page. And then at the end of the month, I make a slideshow of everyone's, and I put your name attached to, you know, to your hard work and show it off. So, yeah, that's all that I have for this video. I guess I'll go ahead and do the 365 days of prayer. Let's add this in here real quick. Let's see. It says, made to be. Since we have gifts that differ according to the grace given to us, each of us is to exercise them accordingly. Romans 12:6. Lord, I love how individually you made us. It further illustrates your awesomeness that there are so many gifts, all present in you, distributed among your body of believers. Thank you for the specific and unique way you have gifted me. Some so attentive to the passions and talents already present in me, and others so surprisingly new. I am never so alive as when using the talents or exercising the passions you put inside me for your glory. To be who you made me to be and to do it for you is the general gift I know. And it says, how has God made you unique? And I guarantee you, if you just write a piece of paper down, you will be surprised at how many unique things, unique ways God has made you. Okay, so that's all that I have for this video. If you would like to join, like I said, I'll leave the links below, and I'll be so happy, and so would everyone else, because you may not realize it, but when you post your towels and your unique colors and stuff like that, that inspires others. And so it's like we're all coming together as a family of crocheters and giving, because these are for gifts. These are for other people, and showing off, you know, the different color combinations, and people are putting on there, where did you get that towel? You know, stuff like that. So it's a lot of fun. I mean, even when I come across towels, I'm like, where'd you get that? You know, so it's a lot of fun. And I think that it will help you when December comes along, that you'll have you some towels made up. So anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.